Are you currently invested in Calgary real estate or looking to get into the market? Just how hot is Calgary's market this month? Is it too late to buy? What can I expect if I sell? Are there still deals to be had? We'll look at the numbers to see just how things add up. And if you stick around to the end of this video, we'll actually find out which area of the city performed the best last month. My name is Drew Allum, licensed agent and investor here in Calgary. If you have real estate related questions, we'll try to answer them every week, so don't forget to subscribe. On the channel, we focus both on homeowners looking to sell and investment property buyers, but the information here applies to everyone interested in Calgary real estate. First, let's take a look at home prices. As of July 2023, the unadjusted residential benchmark price in Calgary, yeah, I know that's a lot, it reached $567,700. Now that benchmark price is the average of all of the homes that you would have in Calgary. What would one sell for? Just consider it that. So $567,700, marking the 7th consecutive monthly gain. Now, if we break it down into each category, detached homes are up 7% year over year to $690,500. Semi-detached homes are up 7.4% year over year to $616,800. Row or townhomes are up 13.7% to $407,500, and apartments are up 12.1% to $305,900. Now that's all great news for owners looking to sell, as they can expect to get top dollar for their properties. However, for new home buyers and investors alike, rising home prices can make it not just more difficult to find affordable properties, but also to find ones that will generate positive cash flow. If you are renting out your property, rental demand for housing continues to be strong. As of the end of July, the average rent for a 2-bedroom apartment in Calgary is $2,148 per month. Now that's up 7% from last month and a 26% increase compared to the previous year. If you're looking to rent, the lack of availability is driving the prices upward as we are continuing to experience historically low vacancy rates. CREB, that's the Calgary Real Estate Board, reported over 50,000 people moved to Alberta in the first quarter of 2023 alone, 1/3 being interprovincial and 2/3 international moves. Now that number, when you look at it, is impressive because it's actually over 200% of an increase in total migration into the province from the same time in 2022. According to the Calgary Real Estate Board, the sales to new listings ratio in July was 82%, indicating that conditions continue to favor sellers. For the investor, this might mean your best bet will be looking for new properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods or properties that need some work to increase their value. While rising home prices can make it more difficult to find these types of properties, they can still be found with some research and due diligence. For buyers searching for properties to renovate and sell, the current market presents both opportunities and challenges. On the one hand, rising home prices mean that finished homes are earning top dollar. There are buyers still needing homes and more coming to the province all the time. It's still important to keep an eye on each community and ensure that the renovations are in line with what buyers are looking for there. The unadjusted benchmark price for row properties again was $407,500, and that was showing the highest percentage increase in price year over year at over 13%. With demand for townhouses continuing to rise, the right priced units can present some flip opportunities there as well, whereas historically I may not even have checked that. Be aware, rising home prices also mean that the cost of materials and labor is likely to be higher. To win in this market, investors should focus on renovations that will add the most value to the property when they bring it back to market. Buyers will need to act fast as demand is high for all types of residential real estate, as seen in the previous numbers. Now, where had the hottest activity in the month? According to the Calgary Real Estate Board, the Northeast and East districts saw the strongest monthly gains in July, with both rising over 2% compared to June. Likely as the East District still offers Calgary's most affordable housing, with the unadjusted benchmark price there at $389,000, $100. So in summary, the current state of the market presents both opportunities and challenges for investors. For buyers and investors alike, the key is to understand what you can afford and act fast when it comes up. Investors will likely focus on undervalued properties or properties with potential for appreciation after renovations have been completed. For homeowners and investors looking to renovate homes and sell, now is still a great time to get your property to market. There are buyers needing homes. The key is to focus on renovations that will add the most value to the property, again, given the rising demand for labor and materials. Investors converting existing property into duplexes will add some needed housing to the historically low level of rentals available or additional properties on the market for home buyers to buy. And here's one last major statistic for you. It's getting more and more challenging to find good opportunities as the total inventory of homes for sale in July was 34.8% lower than the same month last year. Is there any end in sight? That's a speculation. But as inventory levels appear to be rising slightly, there may be a slowing of the increase in prices. We're still expecting to see some price increases, just not at the same rate that we'd seen last month. Now, for a full copy of the Calgary Real Estate Board statistics, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching the video. And if your expenses on your Calgary home have become too much for you, your home is in need of repairs outside of your budget, or it's just time to see what you can get for your house, reach out via calgaryhomesale.com. Again, that link is down below and we'll see how we can help. My name is Drew and I'll catch you in the next video.